Hello and welcome to the channel. A gaming PC is an invaluable piece of equipment for any serious gamer, as it provides them with the power and performance they need to enjoy the latest and greatest games. With a gaming PC, gamers can expect faster loading times, smoother graphics, and a more immersive gaming experience. Additionally, gaming PCs are highly customizable, allowing gamers to choose the perfect components to match their needs, and they are also highly upgradable, so they can keep up with the latest games. Investing in a gaming PC is a great way to take your gaming to the next level. The benefits of having a gaming computer include power and performance to enjoy the latest and greatest games, faster loading times, smoother graphics, and a more immersive gaming experience, highly customizable components to match your gaming needs, highly upgradable, so you can keep up with the latest games. A great investment that will help you take your gaming to the next level. When choosing a gaming computer, it is important to consider your budget, as well as your gaming needs. You should also research the components available and make sure that they are compatible with your gaming requirements. Additionally, it is important to make sure that the gaming computer has enough storage and RAM to handle your gaming needs, as well as any other multimedia needs that you may have. Finally, make sure to check reviews and feedback from other gamers before making your purchase to ensure that you are getting the best gaming computer for your money. For more information, please click on the links below. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching.